Alright, so I'm doing an unboxing for Lensrentals, which is a service that I've used quite a bit. I'm leaving for a trip tomorrow morning, so I decided to rent some new gear. So first thing you'll notice is that they've got the branded tape, which I just think is a nice touch. This is a company that I have used extensively, and customer service-wise, they are always on point. Everything gets shipped out in a Pelican case. Again, branded, so you know who it came from. If you have a lot of Pelican cases, that's kind of an easy way to keep track of them so you're not sending one of yours back when you send your gear back. Again, with the fun branding, it says smile, your order has arrived. And in here, they've got tape, so you don't even have to have tape to package it back up, and your label, I just throw that in the box. So here is the gear that I am renting. I'll probably do a little bit more of a thorough review, but just to show you, renting the new signature Olympus body, the OM1. It's their flagship, released last year. Really excited to get that started and give that a shot. Because you're renting a camera body, it comes with the Olympus on-camera flash, along with a battery and charger. Looks like this is a dual charger. Looks like just one battery. Let me check the camera body. Yeah, just one battery, so I'll make sure that's charged up. And then the plugs for this, and it looks like this is also a camera cable, so I can attach that to my computer if I want, and a charging block. So along with that, I also rented a lens to replace one that I broke and did not have time to get fixed. Lensrentals, if you're watching this, I've never broken any gear, don't worry. This is the Olympus 12-40 f2.8. It is my favorite lens of all time, so I can't imagine going on a trip without it. Comes in another little padded case that I'll pack up, and then the lens hood is in here as well. The third thing I rented is just a teleconverter for another one of my Olympus lenses. This is the 1.4x converter. As always, it's going to be in great condition. I've noticed that with everything I rent from Lensrentals, it all comes in super clean, brand new looking, and I can always trust that it's going to be really high quality gear because they check everything before they send it out. So yeah, Lensrentals, if you're looking to rent any sort of gear or test out any gear before a trip, highly recommend them. A great customer service team, a great selection of gear, a lot of up-to-date stuff, and everything is in great condition. So yeah, there you go, an unboxing of some gear from Lensrentals.